Hello, this is Joachim from Playing Piano with Chords, and this is piano hack number 9. I'm going to show you how to create minor chord triangles to find the notes for all minor chords using the circular fifths chart. It works just the same way as with the major chord triangles, which I showed you in the previous hack. But this time the triangle is shaped a bit differently and you have to move clockwise instead of counterclockwise. So if you have an A minor chord, for example, you start at the A minor symbol, which is right below C. Then you move up to C, which is the minor third. And then you move down right clockwise to E, which is the fifth. And the minor sign again behind the E is not important. We read it as E. For the first inversion, you just start at C. Then move to E and then to A minor, clockwise. And same thing for the second version, but this time you start at E. There you go. So let's try another minor chord. Let's do G minor. You move the triangle to the right spot of the circular fifths chart, and you start at G minor, move outside to B flat, which is the minor third, and then to D, which is the fifth. There's your G minor chord. It's a really simple way to find all the notes for minor chords. You just need the circular fifths chart, then you need to know how the triangle looks, and you need to know that you have to move clockwise for minor chords and counterclockwise for major chords. You can also click on the link in the description to download a free circular fifths chart.